Yo guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you guys can get a new Fortnite.Dev account in Chapter 3, Season 4. The season just came out, and I'm going to be doing an update. 3 link advertises. Basically, what this does is it just provides me directly with revenue. So if you guys can do these, it really does help me a lot. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get some free cosmetics in-game. It really does help me if you guys do follow with these, and there isn't a way to actually bypass this. So make sure to keep watching what I do. So you guys want to download BitGame Launcher. Also, the steps usually are different, so you guys can actually install whatever this application is. You guys can always uninstall this after. We're gonna press next. This actually looks like an actual game, but it's gonna launch, and once it launches, guys, it should say task completed. I don't really even know what it's doing right now, but once it has done that, it should say task completed, because we did launch the program. And then when it says task completed, you guys just want to close it out. Actually, the program that we just installed is actually really good. I'm actually going to keep it. It basically just updates all your drivers and all your files. So I'm actually going to keep that. And you guys want to press download. So just wait for it to download. My Wi-Fi may be a little bit slow. And you guys want to press download, save, double click on Fortnite.Dev, press yes, next, skip all, and then press open. Make sure to decline those promotions, by the way. And then once you guys are here, you just want to press Boogie FN Dev. Obviously, under the link for that is method. You guys want to press free access with ads, and then close this out. Now you guys want to download the launcher again. So you guys may have to actually download it twice. I already have it running, so I think I don't have to actually download it and install it. But I actually have it running right here. Basically, what this application looks like is just you can update all your drivers and stuff. So that is pretty cool. Hopefully it does work. I might have to reinstall it. I think I'm gonna reinstall it. I think unfortunately we have to download it again. So we're just gonna download it again and launch it. Pretty simple though. Just run it, yes, and then next. So do the same thing that you did before, and we're just gonna wait for it to actually check all the check marks, and it should work. So then, when it says task completed, you guys can proceed with the steps by closing this out and press continue to Boogie Community, and then press download Boogie Community, press save, double click on the download, press yes, next, skip all, and then press open. Now it's finally gonna launch the Boogie FN Discord server. Once you guys are in here, you just want to react to the rules. Make sure you guys do have all channels. Make sure you guys do have all access to the channels. And then once you guys have done that, you guys can go onto the Get Boogie channel. And now you guys want to go onto the Boogie website. It's gonna be the first link. And then you guys want to press download for Windows. Press Easy Installer. And then go on the Easy Installer right here. Press save, double click on the download, and then where it says please enter the number of build version where you want to select it, you guys want to type in D, and where it says please input a custom manifest directory URL, you guys want to go onto this link where it says the manifest. So you guys want to drag it, or not drag it, you guys want to copy this link, press Ctrl C, and then go back on Easy Installer and Ctrl V and paste it. And now it's gonna ask please enter a game file location. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to go on to here, desktop, right click, press new folder. I'm gonna name this Boogie and double click on the folder where it says right here. You guys want to click Control C, and then now you guys want to Control V and then press enter. It's going to install a bunch of files that are required to get Fortnite.Dev into that specific file. And then once you guys have done that, you guys can close this out. It may take a little bit of time for that. For me, it didn't take that long because I have a decent PC. So if you guys have a decent PC, it should work. It basically depends on your PC, but you guys should get an ETA with that. We're gonna run the actual launcher, and where it asks for an authorization code, we want to go back onto Discord and then go on this authorization code. Make sure you're logged into the correct Fortnite account that you actually want to install this dev on. Double click on the authorization code, press copy, go back onto the launcher, and then right click, press paste, and then press log in. Don't think I must have misclicked because I didn't type it in right, but we're gonna try again. We're just gonna paste the authorization code in, press login, and that's successfully. Then you guys want to press launch, and where it asks for a file, you guys want to go onto the file where you installed the folder that you created for the ease installer. For me, it was BoogieFN, so we're gonna press select folder. It should automatically launch. We are gonna try again because it didn't work on the first try. We're gonna go back onto the launcher, type in the code, and press login. And then you guys want to press launch, BoogieFN. I accidentally pressed the wrong folder. Sorry for that misconvenience, but we are now logging into Fortnite and it should be working as of right now. Also, do keep in mind that we are in the new season, chapter 3, season 4. And as you guys can see, it does work, and that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully this did work for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in the next one. It has been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.